Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Biologycolony. In this video, we are going to discuss about paper 1 of BSc third year Zoology, that is structure and function of chordate types. In this particular video, we are going to discuss brief introduction to phylum Chordata. This topic is relevant to various examinations, that is RPSC and other state PSCs, and BSc, MSc, TGT, PGT exams, and many more similar examinations. So let's start with the basic difference between chordata and non-chordata. So chordata have notochord while non-chordata lack notochord. Then we have dorsal hollow and single nerve cord present in chordata, while non-chordates have double ventral and solid nerve cord. Pharynx is perforated with gill slits in chordata, while gill slits are absent in non-chordates. We have a heart that is ventrally placed in chordata, while heart is dorsal and laterally placed or absent in non-chordates. A postanal tail is present in chordates, while postanal tail is absent in non-chordates. Alimentary canal is placed ventral to the nerve cord, while non-chordates have alimentary canal placed dorsal to nerve cord. Chordates have organ system grade of organization, while non-chordates have protoplasmic to organ system grade of organization. Chordates are truly coelomate, while non-chordates can be acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, or truly coelomate. In chordates, respiration is through gills or lungs, while in non-chordates, respiration occurs through body surface or gills or tracheae. Chordates have poor regeneration power, while non-chordates have good regeneration power. Sexual reproduction is predominant in chordates, while asexual reproduction is predominant in non-chordates. Chordates are triploblastic, that is, they have three germ layers, while non-chordates can be diploblastic, triploblastic, or they lack germ layers altogether. Characteristics of chordates. These are the largest deuterostome phyla. By deuterostome, we mean the anus is developed first and then the mouth develops. They have dorsal hollow nerve cord or neural tube. It is derived from embryonic dorsal ectodermal neural plate, whose posterior part forms spinal cord and anterior part forms the brain. They have longitudinal supporting rod like notochord or chorda dorsalis, which originates from endodermal roof of the embryonic archenteron. These are composed of gelatinous large vacuolated notochordal cells, while in adult vertebrates it is surrounded or replaced by the vertebral column. A series of lateral gill clefts or gill slits perforates through pharyngeal wall of the gut behind mouth. It is functional throughout in protochordates, that is in branchiostoma. As they are aquatic, they require gill clefts or gill cliffs for respiration. Then we have bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic, that is three germ layers, and they are eucoelomate. Higher chordates are schizocilous, while branchiostoma, that is the cephalochordata, they are enterocoelous. Schizocilous is formed by the splitting of the mesoderm, while enterocoelous is formed by the pinching off of the archenteron. Then we have true metamerism exists in chordates, that is the segmentation is proper. As you can see in this diagram, it is the basic body plan of chordate. They possess dorsal hollow nerve cord, they have notochord, postanal tail, pharyngeal gill slits, mouth and anus, along with pharynx, trunk and hepatic cecum. Now let's discuss the classification of phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata is divided into two groups, that is Acrania or Protochordata and group Craniata or Euchordata. So Acrania is lower chordate group while Craniata is higher chordate group. As the term Acrania or Craniata suggests that Acrania group lacks cranium or skull or brain box, while Craniata possess these structures. Then we have subphylum Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata under the group A crania protochordates. Hemichordata are further divided into four classes, that is Enteropneusta, Pterobranchia, Planktospheroidea and Graptolita. Then Urochordata that are also called as Tunicata or Tunicata are divided into three classes, that is Acidiaceae, Thaliaceae and Larvaceae or Appendicularia. Then we have Cephalochordata, that is the class Leptocardi and Plerobranchi are present in it. Then further euchordates have a subphylum called Vertebrata, which is divided into two divisions, that is Agnatha and Gnatostomata. Vertebrata suggests the presence of vertebral column, that is notochord gets converted into the vertebral column in higher chordates. Agnatha, it means they lack jaws, while Gnatostomata, they possess jaws. Agnatha is further divided into ostracodermy and cyclostomata. Ostracodermy is a primitive extinct class and cyclostomata they are present currently, and an example is Petromyzon or Myxine. Then we have Gnatostomata. It is divided into two superclasses, that is Pisces and Tetrapoda, which are further divided into these classes, that are Placodermy, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Placodermy are also primitive ancient creatures, while Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes they exist in present time. Chondrichthyes are the cartilaginous fishes that possess jaws, and Osteichthyes are bony fishes. Then Tetrapoda, that is, they have four legs, or they are four-legged animals, or they have four appendages or two pairs of appendages, we can say. So they are amphibia, reptilia, aves, and mammalia. Now let's discuss the differences between acrania and craniata. Acrania or protochordates are the lower chordata, while craniata or euchordata are higher chordates. Acrania is exclusively marine and small sized, while craniata can be aquatic or terrestrial and mostly large sized vertebrates. Acrania have no appendages, cephalization, and exoskeleton, while craniata usually have two pairs of appendages which are well developed, and they have well developed head and exoskeleton. Coelom in acrania is enterocoelic, that is, it is budding off or pinched off from embryonic archenteron, while craniata have schizocoelic coelom, that is arising by the splitting of the mesoderm. Notochord is persistent in acrania and they have no skull, cranium or vertebral column, while in craniata notochord is covered or replaced by a vertebral column and skull and cranium are well developed. Acrania have pharynx with permanent gill clefts and endostyle, that is the organ present in the pharynx that is required for filter feeding is also present in acrania, while pharyngeal gill clefts persist or disappear in craniata and they lack endostyle. Heart is chamberless when present in acrania and the blood lacks RBCs, while craniata their heart may be of two chambers or three chambers or four chambers, as we can recall that two chambers heart is present in Pisces, three chamber heart in reptilia and amphibians, and four chamber heart in crocodile, aves and mammals. And the blood contains RBCs. Kidneys are protonephric type or they are protonephridia in acrania, while kidneys are meso or metanephridia in craniata. Protonephridia are the primitive type of kidney that is developed way before, and then mesonephridia develops, then metanephridia is the advanced or last stage. Then sexes are separate or united in acrania while reproduction is asexual, as well as sexual while gonoducts are absent. Sexes are separate in craniata and only sexual reproduction occurs and gonoducts are always present. Indirect development, that is free swimming larval stage, is present in acrania or protochordates, while euchordates or craniata have indirect or direct development, that is with or without a larval stage. Now let's talk about the difference between divisions Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha, they lack true jaws while Gnathostomata have true jaws. Agnatha do not have paired appendages while Gnathostomata have paired appendages that are pectoral and pelvic. Then inner ear with two semicircular canals are present in Agnatha while inner ear with three semicircular canals are present in Gnathostomata. Notochord is persistent in adults in Agnatha, while notochord persists or is replaced by vertebrae in Gnathostomata. Agnatha are further divided into two classes, that is ostracodermy. One model example can be Cephalaspis. Then we have Cyclostomata. They have Patromyzon that are lampreys and Myxine that are hagfishes. Gnathostomata are divided into two superclasses, that is Pisces, which is further divided into three classes: Placodermy, Convicthes, and Osteichthes. Placodermy have Climatius, Convicthes have Scolodeon or dogfish, Osteichthes have Labio or Rohu. Superclass Tetrapoda is divided into four classes, that is Amphibia, which contains Rana and Bifo, that is frog and toad. Then we have Reptilia, they have lizards, that is Hemidactylus, Naja, cobra, then Crocodilus or crocodile. Aves, that is birds, they have Struthio, Columba, Gallus. Then we have Mammalia, that is Echidna, Homo, that is man. Now in this final slide, we will discuss the differences between superclass Pisces and superclass Tetrapoda. Well, the Pisces, they are exclusively aquatic gnathostom vertebrate, that is they have a jaw, while Tetrapoda, that is aquatic or terrestrial, and some may be arboreal and aerial. Arboreal means they live in tree, while aerial means they fly. Next, paired limbs are present in Pisces as fins. Then Tetrapoda have paired pentadactyl limbs, that is with 5 fingers. Then we have median fins present in Pisces while median fins are absent in Tetrapoda. Skin usually is moist and scaly in Pisces. Skin is usually dry and cornified in Tetrapoda. In Pisces, respiration is aquatic, that is by gills, while in Tetrapoda, respiration is through air, that is aerial, by lungs. Then we have sense organs functional in water in Pisces, while sense organs are functional in air in Tetrapoda. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe Biology Colony and stay tuned for more.